stroke, a traumatic brain and spinal cord injury. In an instant, life changes. Neuro rehabilitation, a path to recovery. At KIMSHEALTH, early acute rehabilitation begins promptly, guided by experienced rehabilitation physicians. We are equipped to handle all emergencies. Our multidisciplinary team works for holistic recovery. Physiotherapists work to enhance balance, improve strength and flexibility. Progressing through wheelchair skills and ending with confidence in walking. Occupational therapists help patients regain hand skills, functional movements, and self-care abilities, empowering them to perform activities of daily living with confidence. Speech and swallowing specialists help restore the ability to communicate and safely manage swallowing, improving both your speech and your quality of life. The rehabilitation psychologist leads cognitive retraining, helping to restore attention, memory, executive skills, and higher mental functions essential for everyday life. Our state-of-the-art, advanced rehabilitation technologies include robotics for early and better walking, robotics for regaining hand functions, virtual reality and interactive gaming for boosting cognition, participation, and neuro recovery. The advanced sensors sense your body positions and interact through simple to complex gaming. Functional electrical stimulation for functional regain. Advanced stimulation protocols for dysphagia. Functional electrical stimulation, expertly applied to safe restoration of swallowing and dysphagia. Regain, rewire. So we walk, play, and drive. Together, we journey back to life.